Also, quick bonus bits as well. This is the belly pan that I did before, a little lot of hand movements. It's pretty thin, so what I found was I took it and I bead blasted it, and problem was it kind of warped. So I probably should have just made it out of thicker stuff. So what I'm doing now is I've got another sheet in here that I'm positioning, and I'm probably going to put this in, but then get the hole saw and put sort of 4 big holes or something like that in it, just to take a bit of weight out of it. And then also on the sides, noise. Also on the sides I can do the same as well, just to brace it up a bit as well, just to give it a bit, double it up a bit. So that's pretty good. And also my bonus thing, because I'm pretty happy with this, is, and I actually just had the GoPro going for 34 minutes. I thought I'd buttoned off, but it was still recording. So I was recording my hoodie because I dropped it in that. So anyway, I've got these 2 metal strips in under here, and they are in with the Clecos in there. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3 in there, and I've also got this all sort of nicely aligned, everything like that. Looks pretty good. So I've got that just clamped into place, so that's holding it in place there. I've drawn some lines around the corners of these, so I can pull them out now, put some holes in them so I can start the mounting process. Could have hinged it really, but I wanted to have this nice and clean around here, so that's nice and tidy there. And that stalky thing there is where the parachute, I've got my finger stuck in there, Chinese finger trap, comes up off of there and then goes up and out. So literally just gonna have to work out height wise and just punch a hole here, something like that, and then the parachute will go through there. So because it's only sheet metal as well, I mean it's pretty strong to be honest, but I still want to have the parachute so that it's able to be removed, so I can take it off and put it in the back or whatever. So looking pretty good. So once that's on and that's on, and then our wings on, then hand movements, yeah, idiot. Oh look, there's a blanket. Alright, so I've been ignoring the engine bay, still got to do that bit in the back there, but moving around the back here, I've got this pinned up to the ceiling here, just keep it out of the way, but that's pretty much done. And just got to get in there and clean some welds, waiting for the skin to get cut so I can put it on there and make it all fit. Then around the back here, the tailgate, I've got some, still need a bit of cleaning up and work here, but some mounts in either corner there. It's pretty strong now. It's only got a couple of bolts holding on at the moment, but it's got like a strip along the bottom holding the tailgate in place, or the tailgate skin. And then what I did was I've punched a hole in there right in the middle, and I've had to extend the parachute anchor, so that's now there. And I'm just got to make a couple of small mods here so that I can take it in and out without having to take the tailgate off, because it's got to lift up and out. It should be pretty good. I'm going to call it quits on this video and wait until the next one, but yeah, pretty happy with that, and like the way this is sitting here. This is all nice and neat and tidy, and just enough room for the bolts in the back there without spilling through. So yeah, pretty good. Until next time, you will be seeing some bike updates, because this bad boy is getting wrapped soon. When I say wrapped, it means livery. And then now I've cleaned up the bench, and it's time for me to hit the track again. I've missed riding this bike, so it just pretty much needs stickers and tyres. Doesn't really need stickers, but just needs tyres, and probably to drain the fuel and put some fresh fuel in it and give it a good old clean out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Bike update next, looking forward to that. Anyway, enough of the ute, more coming very soon. Thanks for watching.